Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite teeth whitener. It's both the best teeth whitener I've found and the cheapest option, which is even better. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name's Juliana. I go by Jules Marrie here on YouTube. I make videos every single week, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you guys don't miss out on any of them. Give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it. And without further ado, let's get right on into my favorite teeth whitener. Alrighty, you guys, so my favorite teeth whitener is going to have to be the Dr. George's Dental White. So I came across this probably a couple years, I heard of it a couple years ago. It is something that Jaclyn Hill has talked about in her videos before, that she has previously used it, and she has beautifully white teeth, so I was like, I gotta give it a run, but I held off for a while. And I went ahead and this past summer, my teeth were starting to yellow. I do drink coffee every single morning, every single day. I just absolutely love it, but I know it does kind of make your teeth more yellow. And just my teeth naturally can get pretty yellow pretty quick if I don't really stay on top of my dental care. So this was something I wanted to go ahead and purchase and try out, and I fell in love with it ever since. So this retails for about $17.99, around that price point on Amazon. That is the only place that I've found is the easiest to get. I'm pretty sure they have a website as well, so you can always go on their website and check it out. But this has been the cheapest and most effective teeth whitener that I have ever used in my life. I absolutely love it. So the way that I use this, so this is the gel. And then you can go ahead and order just these simple mouth guards online on Amazon. I did that as well. So I have them here. I've already molded them. I got mine. You have to like boil them with water, and then you mold them to your specific teeth shape, and it makes it super easy to whiten. So what I do, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys all the steps that I take, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you, because it goes in like intervals. So I'm going to tell you all of it, and then I'm going to kind of walk you through what my teeth look like in between each time. So you can put this on, or what I usually do is I put the gel right in the tray, and then you place it right in your mouth, and you just have to leave it on for about 20 minutes. It says on the back that this is for the whitening tray, so you wear it for 20 minutes, and you repeat process 3 to 4 times per day. I would not recommend doing it 4 times per day. The most that I've ever done, and what I usually do, is 3 times. After then, my teeth do get pretty sensitive, and I do have sensitive teeth, so I guess if you don't have sensitive teeth, it might be okay for you. But I have pretty sensitive teeth, so what I do is I take my tube, and I pretty much spray or squeeze out the gel right in the tray, and then I insert it right in my mouth, do the same thing, and then I just go ahead, I watch TV, I clean, sometimes I'll do my makeup if I want a really quick, like one session brighten up, I'll do that, and it's really easy, no effort at all. Then I go ahead, I take out my tray, I take a little bit, like a tiny bit of toothpaste, some water, just rinse off the rest of the gel, make sure it's all out of there, and then I rinse off the tray. And then I go ahead, I apply another coat in the tray, pop it in my mouth, continue to do whatever I'm doing, and I do that, like I said, 3 times. That is what I've gotten the best results out of, and it lasts me the longest amount of time. I do this, I try to do it about once a week, once every 2 weeks, depending, but it has absolutely been, first off, the most effective, and second of all, the cheapest option, because I've tried the Crest wipes, I've tried just doing mouthwash and toothpaste, but the Crest whitening strips are, first off, super expensive for me. I'm a college student, so I don't want to be spending a ton of money on this, and second of all, I don't notice that big of a difference, and for some reason, it's just like, the strips just slide right off. So this is super easy for me. I don't have to worry about it. I can do whatever I want, and it's super easy. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the whitening gel in the tray, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the first session, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture here about what my teeth look like right now before I've done any sort of whitening, and then I'll go ahead and insert pictures in between each session, kind of give you guys an update, let you know how it looks on camera, and then I will insert a photo so you guys can get a little better quality. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Alrighty, hi guys, I'm back from the first session. This is just one session of using the Dr. George's whitening gel. It is amazing. So you can take a look. Sorry, this is really an ugly face that I just made there. But you can already start to see how much brighter and whiter my teeth look. And this is after just one session. So like I said, I am doing 3 total. I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture here showing you guys up close with a really nice camera so you can kind of get a really good look at what my teeth really look like. But it's already had an effect, and like I said, it's only been one session. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to apply a second coat and do a second session, and then I will be right back to show you guys those results in a little bit. See you in a minute. Alrighty, you guys, so I have done my second session of the teeth whitener. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a close-up. So, like I said, I do 3 sessions. That's what works the best for me and lasts the longest for me. As you can tell just by looking at the first session, not the second session, you can just do 1 or 2 if you just want to kind of brighten up your teeth for a special event, or just to kind of lighten them up if you already have naturally white teeth. But I do 3 sessions because it lasts the longest, like I said, and it has the best effects for me. So I'm going to go ahead and insert another picture so you guys get a better look at the whitening. And then I'm going to go ahead and put another tray in for another 20 minutes, and that will be my last and final session. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Hi guys, I am back from my 3rd and final session with my teeth whitening, so you guys can take a look. And as usual, I'm going to insert a picture right here so you can get a better look at what the teeth whitening results are. As you can tell just kind of from seeing the start photo to the finished photo now that I have, and just seeing it here in video, I'm sure you could tell a difference. This is what I found to be the best way to whiten my teeth. Definitely get the results the quickest, but also they last the longest. And like I said, the cheapest option. It's about 17 bucks on Amazon, a couple bucks for the tray, so right around 20 bucks in total. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. Subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.